Welcome to Jones Healthcare. In this series of videos, we provide step-by-step instruction on how to assemble our range of adherence packaging. Today we will review how to assemble and seal the Qube Adherence package using BlistAssist filling technology. Open the cover to the BlistAssist tray and place the blisters into the tray. Fill the blister with the medication for each appropriate time pass using the BlistAssist technology, following instructions from McKesson, Canada. Please note, the following steps will be repeated across both blisters in the BlistAssist tray. Apply the medication summary label to the inside cover of the card. You will scan the barcode on this label using the BlistAssist integrated barcode scanner. This process will identify the appropriate blister in the tray, to which the card will be sealed in the following steps. Fold back the grid panel of the Qube as shown. While keeping the grid panel in its folded position, flip the card over and remove the liner from the adhesive panel at a 45-degree angle. Ensure you avoid touching the adhesive panel during this process. Flip the card back over and align the cut marks on the folded edge of the card with the corresponding guides on the BlistAssist tray. Then, gently press the grid panel with your hand to engage adhesive. Using a roller, apply consistent pressure over the entire grid panel to ensure a tight seal. Remove the package from the tray, flip it over, and fold the grid panel in the opposite direction and over the blister, ensuring it lays flat. Place the package face down in a Qube manual sealing tray, and using the roller, apply firm, consistent pressure in a vertical motion over the entire surface to ensure a solid seal. Remove the package from the manual sealing tray and fold over the cover. Then, after verifying the package for accuracy, the Qube is now ready to dispense. Please note, before dispensing, the pharmacist should instruct their patient on the proper use of the Qube Adherence package. To access the contents of a blister, the patient can turn over the package and puncture the blister backing. Then, peel back the label and remove the medication.
Before dispensing, ensure the pharmacist has verified the medications for accuracy. Please note that the card is not child-resistant and should be stored out of the reach of children. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or you're looking to place an order, contact the Jones team today.